After a 2-year hiatus, the Australian Model Railway Association returned to Caulfield Racecourse for the 50th edition of their model train show. While there were a host of layouts at the show, I'm going to focus on a few of my faves from the Saturday. These guys at Brick Built Trains are a regular at most of these expos, and in the past they've made a replica Comeng set in the green and gold livery out of Lego. But this time, they've exceeded themselves with the V-Line N-Class replica and the passenger coaches as well. Ausition Trains were there as well with their usual trade stall. These guys are the absolute best in the business and set the bar for which all Australian model trains should be, in my opinion. One of the new items that they had on show was the new N-scale loco, which are obviously quite smaller than the regular HO scale. I took a bit of time to see the electric car sheds layout, which focused on Sydney's suburban passenger trains, something that I reckon needs to be done for Melbourne's train fleet. Let's get some model Hitachis or Komengs in addition to the old school Red Rattlers and Harris trains. This was a cool little setup from the Epping Model Railway Club. I might have to check them out more often when they're in my neck of the woods. Finally, this was my absolute favourite layout. Borderline. Set on the border of South Australia and Victoria, this layout took me back to my childhood and the days of going to Camberwell as a kid with Mum and Dad looking at model trains. This was great as we saw a mix of liveries from various operators like we used to back in the day, with locomotives in the VR blue and gold, Commonwealth Railways colours, Australian National green and gold, and of course V-Line orange and grey too. This was a fantastic layout. All in all, a thoroughly good day out, and it looked like a great turnout as well. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the Borderline layout, and thank you for watching my little recap from Caulfield.